So now, my dear students, we are going to discuss our another topic, human rights. So my dear students, what are human rights? So my dear students, human rights are the basic rights. Yes, these are the basic rights which are based on shared values like equality, fairness, freedom, dignity of all the citizens of the country. Yes, human rights are the basic rights. These basic rights are based on shared values, dignity, respect, fairness, equality of all the people of the country. So, this is the meaning of human rights. So, my dear students, the UN has made a list of these human rights. Yes, United Nations has made a list of these human rights that every human being these rights should have. Yes, every human being should have these rights, and these rights are called the human rights. These rights are called the human rights, and these are the important human rights which are mentioned here. The first human right is the right to live as free citizens of a country. It means if we live our country India, it means we are free. Yes, the right to live as a free citizens. We can live anywhere according to our own choice. So this is the meaning, the right to live as a free citizens of the country. So UN has provided these rights. Next right is all the people should be equal before law. Yes, all the people, they are, everyone is equal before the rules and the regulations which has been made by the government. Yes, all the people here, they are treated equally before the government. Yes, all the people should be equal before the law and whatever the principles which has been made by the government, whatever the rules which has been made by the government, all rules or regulations are equal for each and every citizens of the country. Next is the right to education. Yes, the right to education. In our country, India, everyone is free. Yes, people have the right. They can get education according to their own choice. So this is the right to education. Everyone is free. Okay, they can get education. Yes, according to their own choice. Next is equal pay for the equal work. Yes, this is also the human right. UN has provided these rights. Next right is equal pay for the equal work. Equal pay means equal salaries. If we are working together, then equal pay for the equal work. It means equal salaries, equal money for the equal work. Next is the freedom to follow the religion of one's own choice. It means everyone is free. Yes, everyone is free. They can accept their religion. They can choose their religion according to his or her own choice. People are free. They can choose their religion. Yes, they can choose any kind of religion. They can accept any kind of religion. There is no foundation. They are free to follow any type of religion according to their own choice. Next is the freedom to move from one place to another. Yes, people of our country, yes, the citizens of our country, they are free. They can move from one place to another according to their own choice. And our UN, yes, our UN is trying its best to ensure that these rights are followed in all the countries. Yes, UN, United Nations, is trying its best to ensure that these rights are followed in all the countries. So my dear students, these are the basic human rights which United Nations has provided. Yes, these rights are provided by the United Nations, and these are the very important human rights. So my dear students, at present 193 countries are the members of the UN. Yes, at present 193 countries, they are the members of the UN, and all the countries which are willing to accept the objectives and principles, yes, which laid down by the UN, they can become its members. Yes, they can become its members. So my dear students, today we discussed about what are human rights, what are the main objectives of the United Nations, and what are the consequences, yes, and what were the main effects and results of the two world wars.